Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm starting off what will be a work of weekouts vlog. As promised, I've been continuing to share at least one monthly video focused on my health, nutrition, fitness. That is all very realistic and attainable for a homeschooling mom of 4 approaching 40. So I want to thank Hydrow for sponsoring today's video. I was so excited to get to work with them and share them with you guys, because rowing is one of, if not the most effective form of low impact cardiovascular exercise. Rowing actually works about 86% of the muscle in your body. So it's a total body workout, gives you a lot of bang for your buck, so to speak, with working out. And not all rowers are created equal, so I am thrilled to share with you guys Hydrow. So this week I'm going to take you guys through my workouts. I am starting this off on a Monday. Never miss a Monday. We are jumping back into things. I am going to lift weights with my legs and then finish it up with a cardio session on the rower. That will be about an hour of exercise. So lifting first, cardio after. On the rower, of course, you could just row for a total body workout, but I do like to do some focused, isolated weightlifting first. So that is what Monday's workout is going to be, and I hope you guys enjoy this week of workouts vlog. All right, so I already told you guys that Hydrow was sponsoring today's video. If you guys watch my fitness videos regularly, you know that we work out in our garage. There's the hubby working out right now. So the rower was something that we really both wanted, and we're just picky about the equipment that we have. It needs to be functional, it needs to be durable, and it needs to be really good quality. So we actually got the Hydrow Pro, which I have a coupon code for over $700 off for you guys on this model right now. It'll be linked down below. Not only that, but you're gonna get the mat that it comes with, as well as a foam roller and this storage mount, which is the perfect thing for when you are storing a piece of equipment in a smaller space. So as you can see, the rower folds up. It takes no time at all to bring it down. The screen of the Pro model folds up, and then you always want to make sure you secure it properly. So this is into a stud and it's very secure, so it's not going to tip over at all. So when we want to use it, we simply unclip and lay it down. And I cannot tell you how awesome it has been to have a rower and be able to incorporate more rowing into our workouts. Like I already told you guys, rowing is one of the best low impact forms of cardio, but it's not just cardio, it's actually resistance, because you're pulling the handlebar and working your back, your arms, your core, everything, your legs, basically your entire body. So I love how easy it's stored. And like I already told you guys, this model, the discount I have for you is over $700 off. So if you guys are not familiar with rowers, this seat glides effortlessly, which is not the same for all. You put your feet in here, you secure your feet, you grab on to that handlebar and you pull it to your chest while simultaneously extending your legs and coming back in. The Hydrow Pro model that you guys see right here has this really nice size screen. So down here on the rower, you have the library progress profile settings. There's different collections based on your level or as well as the time duration. So I like to start by going to library, and then that's gonna pull up a bunch of different workouts that you can filter by. So if you're short on time, you could focus on duration. There's learning how to row, 10-minute steady row. It shows you like how difficult it is. There's collections if you want to do like a circuit style boot camp workout where you're getting up and down. You can choose by location, because a lot of these are filmed in beautiful places like this one. So if you need a visual of being at a beach, you can do that while you get your fitness on. Now, like I already told you guys, we got the Hydrow Pro model, which the discount I have for you right now is over $700. They do have another model called the Hydrow Wave, which has so many really cool colors. If that, you know, you gotta like what you see in your gym to go ahead and use it. And I also have a discount for that model. So that way you can look at both options, see which one would be most beneficial for you, your family, your home gym needs, and then make a decision. There's discounts on both of them. Not to mention, you're gonna get the mat that your rower goes on, as well as a foam roller for those sore days, as well as the mounting kit so that you can store your rower upright and save space in whatever place you're utilizing to work out. This piece of equipment is so easy to use, so user-friendly. My teenagers can use it. It's just a really great piece to have in your home or your home gym. And you can do as little as 10 to 15 minutes a day, all the way up to an hour. And you will see just how effective and beneficial rowing is when added to your fitness routine. It is perfect for beginners. It is perfect for people who have been working out for a long time. It's perfect for all ages because it is low impact. It's gentle on your joints. It's not like running. And so rowing is just awesome for more reasons than one, which is why I had to team up with Hydrow to tell you guys about them. So if you want to look at either of the models, the Pro or the Wave, I have a discount and the link will be down below. It's a limited time only. They're running a sale right now, so make sure you guys take advantage of it. If you're on the fence, I want to encourage you to make an investment in your fitness.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again.
All right, you guys, I just finished up filming a video and homeschooling for the day, and now it is time to go out and get my workout done. Today, I'm going to be doing a weightlifting workout, primarily focused on the chest and the back. So lifting really heavy to where getting 8 to 10 repetitions is quite the struggle. And then I will follow that up with probably some walking or, you know, like incline walking. So that'll put me at right about an hour. I always lift first, so that is what we are doing today. We are gonna lift upper body and then move on to some form of low impact cardio. I did rowing yesterday, so I'm gonna take a break from that and probably do just like a steady incline walk for 20 to 30 minutes, get my steps in, get my heart rate up without getting like super intense for that, and because I will get to intensity, but I just don't do that every day. So that is what we are going to be doing today, some heavy weights.
I just want to hold you. I just want to look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you.
All right, you guys, it is Wednesday, and yesterday I did a upper body heavy weightlifting day, and then I did like some jogging and walking, nothing super crazy, but just to get my heart rate up a little bit and get some steps in and all that. So today I am going to do a strictly strength session for my legs. So all weightlifting today, lifting pretty much as heavy as I can for not like a 1 rep max, but you know, what is challenging for about 8 repetitions. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today, strictly strength training. So starting off with Monday, I will have done kind of like total body on the rower with a few strength training exercises with legs. Then Tuesday, which was yesterday, I went upper body, focusing predominantly on the chest and the back muscles and some shoulder presses. So mostly like push muscles. And then I did some walking and jogging for my step count. And then today I'm gonna do all legs, probably about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to do some stretching. So that is what I am going to do today. I was out running errands, so I just ran upstairs to change, grab my socks, finishing my apple before I get started. And that's gonna be Wednesday's workout. Alright, you guys, it is Thursday morning at about 8 o'clock and I just finished my workout for the day. I did a 30-minute hike to start with to kind of wake up my body since I was working out in the morning. Also, I'm filming this on my iPhone because I did not bring my camera with me. I went to the gym. I left our house today. So, normally I would lift, strength train first, and then follow it up with cardio. However, when I do early morning workouts, I feel like my body wakes up. I have a chance to kind of like get into my zone when I start with some hiking. So I did a hiking workout on Peloton. I did a little screen recording because I left my camera at home, so I couldn't like show you guys what I was doing. But basically those hiking workouts are all structured different, but depending on the instructor's workout that they planned. But this one, the last 10 minutes of the 30-minute hike, so 1/3 of it was at max incline, which is 15% on the incline. That's the max, the highest it goes. And the speed was supposed to be between 2.5 and 3.5, so like varying in there. So you are walking pretty darn fast up a very steep incline, and it was for 10 whole minutes. So that was a bit of a challenge at the end, but I enjoyed that little challenge there. It was like a mental challenge. Got nice and sweaty in my Grace and Grit t-shirt, and then I followed it up with some heavy weightlifting for my upper body. So I have now worked out Monday through Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. We are celebrating my husband's birthday tomorrow, and we have the painter coming to paint the bathrooms in our house. And so tomorrow I'm probably going to take a rest day, and then Sunday will also be a rest day. It's Mother's Day that day, so I will need to get a workout in on Saturday to get my 5 in for the week. And so as I've shared in these videos many times, those Sunday's always a rest day for me, but the other days, like, I move it around depending on what I need. So you guys won't see a workout from me tomorrow for Friday because that is my first rest day of the week. But I will be back on Saturday to show you all how I am finishing out my workout week, and then Sunday will be the next rest day, and then we will roll into the next week and I'll do it all again. So Thursday's workout check done before 8 a.m. All right, you guys, so I completely forgot, honestly, to get on Saturday and share with you guys my workout. I know I told you that I was planning on doing a total body workout that day. Well, the weather ended up being beautiful, and so I wanted to go for a run. So I actually took my son, my oldest son, with me, and we went on a 3-mile run together, and that was my last workout of the week. So I wanted to share it with you guys. Obviously, I couldn't film myself running, but I'll put a little picture right here of us finishing up our run together, and it was a nice way to round out my week. We just were going for 30 minutes, and we ran 3 miles in that time. So not trying to break any records on speed, just an enjoyable run, and it was fun to do it with my son. So that was my last workout of the week. So that's going to be it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing my week of workouts. If you are in the market for a rower and you want a quality, amazing piece of equipment, I have 2 discounts to offer you on 2 different Hydrow models. That will be down below, as well as the code, so make sure you guys take advantage of it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.